How to get a string after a specific substring? How can I get a string after a specific substring? For example, I want to get the string after world in, which in this case is, I'm a beginner.
The easiest way is probably just to split on your target word. Split takes the word, or character, to split on and optionally will limit to the number of splits. In this example, split on world and limit it to only one split.
I'm surprised nobody mentioned partition. Imho, this solution is more readable than at ArshAGIs. Other than that, I think at ArshAGIs is the best for being the fastest. It does not create any unnecessary copies/substrings.
If you want to deal with a case where S2 is not present in S1, then use s1.find S2 as opposed to index. If the return value of that call is -1, then S2 is not in S1.
You want to use str.partition. Because this option is faster than the alternatives. Note that this produces an empty string if the delimiter is missing. If you want to have the original string, then test if the second value returned from str.partition is non-empty. You could also use str.split with a limit of 1. However, this option is slower. For a best-case scenario, str.partition is easily about 15% faster compared to str.split. This shows timings per execution with inputs here. The delimiter is either missing, worst case scenario, placed first, best case scenario, or in the lower half, upper half or last position. The fastest time is marked with ... and is lower than ... is greater than marks the worst. The above table is produced by a comprehensive time trial for all three options, produced below. I ran the tests on Python 3.7.4 on a 2017 Model 15-inch MacBook Pro with 2.9 GHz Intel Core i7 and 16 GB RAM. This script generates random sentences with and without the randomly selected delimiter present, and if present, at different positions in the generated sentence, runs the tests in random order with repeats, producing the fairest results accounting for random OS events taking place during testing, and then prints a table of the results.